Never under some circumstances bother a cat. Cats are among the autonomous animals. They respect their own space. Sometimes upsetting a cat could have negative effects. One has to grasp these circumstances. This keeps your cat in excellent harmony with you. These are some important times when you ought to let your cat alone. Never, first, bother a cat when it is eating. Cats consider their lunchtime quite important. Interrupting them could lead to anxiety. Food aggressiveness might even result from it. Let your cat to eat in peace. During meals, a quiet surroundings is rather important. Interfining with a cat when it is eating could cause behavioral problems. Make sure your cat feels safe throughout meals always. Second, try not to annoy a cat using the litter box. Your cat has some alone time here. Stopping this might induce anxiety. For their restroom needs, cats like a quiet, orderly environment. Should they be agitated, they may steer clear of the litter box. Accidents around the house could follow from this. Respect the need of seclusion your cat has right now. Third, never disturb a cat in slumber. Sometimes up to 16 hours a day, cats sleep a lot. For their health and welfare, sleep is really vital. Interfining their sleep could lead to agitation. A cat in good slumber is a happy cat. Let your cat to rest free from disturbance. Cats can replenish their vitality by sleep. Their general health depends on it. Fourth, keep from upsetting a cat while it's grooming itself. Natural behavior for cats is grooming. It enables their relaxation and cleanliness. Interfining this process could lead to stress. Cats groom to live in their surroundings with ease. Their aroma helps them to establish their area as well. Interferes with them during grooming could cause anxiety. Before you interact with your cat, let it complete grooming. Fifth, never disrupt a cat in play or hunting. Strong hunting instincts abound even among indoor cats. Their expression of this instinct is play. Stopping a cat in play can irritate it. Cats give their playfulness great thought. Their physical and mental training depends on it in great measure. Let your cat to have uninterrupted enjoyment of its play sessions. Playtime also helps your relationship with your cat to get stronger. Let your cat play, but respect its concentration during these times. Sixth, try not to harass a nervous or fearful cat. Unexpected changes or loud noises might scare cats. Scared, they could hide or turn hostile. Approaching a startled cat can intensify its anxiety. Your cat would be better off having room during these times. When your cat senses safety, let it approach you. To help your cat relax, create a peaceful, safe space. When your cat is worried, respect its desire for space. Seventh, never disrupt a cat in pain or illness. Cats are rather adept at disguising suffering. When they're not feeling well, they could get increasingly withdrawn. Approaching an ill or injured cat can be upsetting. One needs to be patient and gentle. If you spot symptoms of disease, see a veterinarian. When your cat is sick, comfort and care, not disturbance, are what she needs. Watch how your cat behaves for any indicators of pain. Provide your cat a peaceful area for healing. At last, stay away from upsetting a cat while it is carrying kittens. Mothers of cats are quite protective of their offspring. Separating a mother cat can make her defensive. She and her kitties could be under stress. Let the mother cat to tend to her kittens free from intervention. Should you be handling the kittens, do it gently and deliberately. Make sure your presence makes the mother cat relaxed. Respect the link between a mother cat and her kittens always. In essence, one must know when not to disturb a cat. It helps your cat to live in peace. Cats respect their alone and privacy. Respecting this results in a more content and healthy cat. The welfare of your cat depends on every one of the mentioned circumstances. Giving your cat room during these times shows compassion and understanding. A content cat makes better friend. Cats value respect of their demands and limits. This knowledge deepens your relationship with your cat. Recall, a content cat creates a content household. Always consider the emotions and actions of your cat. This knowledge guarantees harmonious living for you and your cat. Cats express their demands by their behavior. Essential is learning to identify these signs. Give your cat room if in doubt. In cat ownership, respect and patience go a lot far. When your cat wants alone, never force interaction. Cats do best in surroundings they are safe and comfortable. Establishing such a surroundings means knowing the demands of your cat. Your cat will show thanks for your appreciation by affection and trust. That partnership is based on mutual understanding. Though each cat is individual, most follow these broad guidelines. Investing time to discover your cat's preferences is vital. This information will enable you to prevent needless strife. Comfort of your pet should always come first. Your cat as well as you gain from keeping a calm surroundings. A well-adjusted cat makes more probable a devoted friend. Respect the limits of your cat to guarantee a harmonic coexistence. Cats that feel valued are more inclined to be affectionate. This regard helps you to establish closer relationship with your pet. Cats can tell whether they are treated with respect. This consciousness results in closer relationship between you and your cat. In the end, a better home results from knowing the requirements of your cat. Sensual animals, cats value compassion and patience. Give your pet the treatment it so merits. This guarantees your feline friend a long and contented life. A decent relationship with your cat is based on respect and understanding. Recall these scenarios and provide your cat the required environment. Your cat will give you affection and company in exchange. Joyful living results from this mutual respect. Cats brighten and soothe our life. Their welfare falls to us. One of the most important things is realizing when you should not disturb your cat. You and your cat will live in harmony with respect and patience. Try always to be sensitive to your cat's need. Your cat will flourish in surroundings it finds safe. Respect of its limits helps one to reach this safety. A content cat adds to a content home. The happiness of your cat reflects the care you give. You show your cat affection by keeping these important events free of interruption. Trust and affection are the return forms for this love. Value your connection to your cat. It is a link based on mutual care, understanding, and respect. Thanks for watching. We're glad you joined us to learn more about cats and deepen your bond with them. If you enjoyed the video and want to share it with your fellow cat lovers, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Also, remember to turn on notifications so you won't miss our new videos. Until next time, stay with cats. Goodbye.